today's recipe, we're going to be making lovely 8-grain rolls, and that starts off with 500 grams of our 8-grain flour. From there, we're also going to add 10 grams of salt, which is about a big teaspoon. And you're going to add 7 grams of dried yeast, which is the equivalent of one of the sachets if you buy it in sachets. You want a glug of olive oil, helps to keep your loaf soft while it bakes. And then you want to go in with 280 ml of lukewarm water. We're going to put that on to mix, and it's going to go on a slow speed for 2 minutes and then a higher speed for 7 minutes. So the dough's just finished mixing, it looks fantastic. From here, what we're going to do is cover this bowl and leave the dough to prove for an hour. After that, we're going to turn it out and either turn it into rolls or loaves. We're going to do rolls today, so I'm going to divide this into 12 equal pieces, and then I'm going to shape them on the counter. I'm going to then place them onto a lined baking sheet and prove them for a further 30 minutes. I'm then going to bake them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, or until they're golden brown on the top and not too dark underneath. After that, you'll have lovely 8-grain rolls.